What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of OPPO Reno5 Pro, OPPO Reno5 Pro Plus or the Find X3 Neo depending on the region from where you are watching this video. So this device comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. For the video recording we got the stabilization, AI highlight mode and also the bokeh effect. And there is also beautification mode provided for the front facing camera video recording, where you can customize the different aspect of beautification like skin color tone, smoothness, eyes, etc. individually as well. And then there is the dual view mode that uses the front camera and the rear camera together to record videos. For pictures, we got the HDR mode, filters, beautification, portrait mode, that is the combination of bokeh effect and the beautification, and then the night mode is available for the front-facing camera imaging as well. The night mode is also available to take pictures from the front-facing camera, and then we got the panorama and the sticker as well for the front-facing camera. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use this smartphone for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad will be the quality. So just a quick demo of the front facing camera capability of OPPO Reno5 Pro, Reno5 Pro Plus or the Find X3 Neo. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because the detailed camera review of OPPO Reno5 Pro is going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.